Hope everybody's having a great day. I've been busting butt on the damn man list, cutting trees. Show you what I've been doing. It's a mess right now. I'm not done. I'm gonna do another day tomorrow. Who knows, I may continue past then. I am wore out, hot and sweaty though. I just parked this guy. All these trees were just as tall as those. I'm working that side now. This is a mess. I got other plants in there. It's a freaking mess right now. My pile. Just about my whole street side's piled up. Yeah, they were like this. Lots of leaves, lots of mess, always dropping leaves and having to do loads of leaves to the dump because that's what we do here. We don't have grass, we blow leaves, and I have so many gumbo limbo trees, and man, they just need to top down a little bit. It was needed. But yeah, my garden needs it real bad. It's pretty bad in there because the problem is it's so shaded I can't hardly grow any good plants. Like, we don't get enough sunlight. Hey little squirrel. One of those could be my squirrel. I raised a baby squirrel until it was ready to go. Fell out of a tree and we couldn't find a home for it, so we ended up raising it. He was a cool little guy, but he was ready to go. So we let him loose and he's been living with the squirrel family. But yeah, the whole other side was just like this. So that's what I've been doing, guys. Trimming trees. Yeah, I got a mess. I'm gonna go in and shower and relax a bit. And I don't know, try to enjoy the rest of my evening doing something different. I hope everybody else does the same. Happy Saturday, everybody.